Hi everyone! Welcome back to Eternal Colors. Today I'm excited to show you a project that brings the beauty of nature into your home. We're making DIY resin coasters inspired by the great outdoors. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for today's craft. Resin is super versatile and can beautifully preserve elements of nature. You can get creative with what you use, but these are my favorites. First, we're going to mix the resin. Be sure to carefully follow the instructions on your resin kit, usually a 1-to-1 ratio of resin and hardener. Mix thoroughly for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's clear and free of bubbles. Now comes the fun part, designing. I'm using these dried flowers and leaves, but feel free to use anything natural that inspires you. When placing your nature elements, think about balance and color. Try not to overcrowd the mold so the resin has room to flow around. Step 3. Pouring the resin. Once your design is ready, carefully pour the resin over the top, making sure all the elements are fully covered. Take your time with this step and pop any bubbles that rise to the surface using a toothpick or a heat gun. Step 4. Let it cure. Now we let the resin cure. Depending on your kit, this can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours, so be patient. Step 5. Final touches and reveal. Once the coasters are fully cured, it's time to reveal our beautiful creations. Look how stunning these coasters turned out. You can really see the natural elements shine through. That's it for today's nature-inspired resin coasters. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative ideas. See you next time.